Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a KPI dashboard in Smartsheet. All right. There are actually two ways. You can go and start creating your KPI by using a template, or you can go ahead and start from scratch. Okay. So in your home screen, okay, in your Smartsheet account, you can go ahead and click on Start or Create. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and select from one of the Smartsheet's templates. Okay. Click on View All Templates. Wait for it, and you can now go ahead and look for KPI. All right, as you can see here, we have two samples, but I'm just going to be showing you this one, which says multi-category KPIs. Let's go ahead and click on it. Wait for the preview if you want to. If not, just click on Create from Template. Okay, here's the preview. Create. Now, as you can see here we have the data. Now let's go ahead and add it to Workspace, a dashboard. Okay, click on it. And again, by default, you have this scorecard display report, which you can edit later. Okay, now going to the dashboard right here, click on Get Started. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and add in metrics. Okay, click on one, then go ahead and add in your data like so. For example, this one from this workspace, or which is from the template. Okay, click on the drop down. You can go ahead and select from one of these folders. Okay, there you go. Now let's say I'm just going to go ahead and choose level 1 scorecard dashboard inputs. Hit on OK. There you go. Wait for it to load. Here's the grid data. If you want to select the data type, you can go ahead and do so. It could be a grid data or sheet summary data. Okay. And once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and hit on OK. You could also change the layout. It could be stacked or a side by side. Title right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and rename it. And the widget behavior. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in some more. Make sure to add your chart widgets, okay, to visualize trends. Now go ahead and add in data. Again, select from one of your workspace, maybe scorecard admin right here. Okay, wait for it, and then hit on OK. Now, if the data cannot be charted, you will have this error message. So go ahead and find a new one. There you go. And again, you can go ahead and further customize it if you want to as well. Now, you could also add in text widgets for contacts. Okay, click on the plus sign. Rich text right here. Just add in whatever you want. And also, don't forget to hit on save right here at the top. And once that's done, just ensure that your data sheets are set up to feed the widgets with live data for real-time insights. There you have it. Rename it if you want to. KPI, rename. And the next time that you wanted to edit it, you can just easily go to the top right, click on Edit Dashboard, and continue editing. If you want to publish it, click on Publish right here, and you're good to go. That is how you create a KPI dashboard in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.